Today's Friday, March 27th. This is the 1969 Cadillac DeVILLE convertible air conditioning power servo unit. This is for my friend Don in Naples. Okay, the unit was completely disassembled all the way down to the final screw. This is a level 10 restoration. This is video number 3 out of a 3 video set, whereby the predecessor video showed the bench layout and the pre-assembly state of the discrete component parts that were taken apart. And this is the fully assembled embodiment, and in a moment I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under vacuum. I've gone ahead and I've replaced the vacuum actuator. The vacuum actuator draws in the drawbar, causes the electrical contacts to swing across this arcing motion of the circuit board. In Don's case, I had to replace the circuit board because the copper cladding had actually coiled up and peeled off. And I had to replace the electrical contact pivot member. Of course, as always, the multi-port manifolds are precision lapped to a number 2 micro finish. Okay, this is what the units generally look like when they come in. In Don's case, it was a little bit worse than that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply vacuum. We'll be looking for the actuator to draw in the unit. We can see how the electrical contact member is swinging in an arcing motion across the circuit board. Okay, we're holding constant vacuum. And now I'm going to go ahead and release to atmosphere. And the unit relaxes. So this is the 1969 Cadillac DeVILLE convertible 4-port multi-manifold for my friend Don in Naples, Florida. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. This is Eldorado George in Florida. Today is Friday, March 27th. Thank you very kindly.